What's up? Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, what's up? Chad here. I'm in IT Park, Cebu City. I'm just about to head down to the ferry to hop on over to Panglao, Bohol. Weather's looking good, so I thought I would do a little last-minute spontaneous trip over there. So I'm excited. Last time I went to Bohol, I did not go to this area, which is kind of the primo beaches of Bohol, apparently. So I'm excited to check it out. So let's go. Let's go see what's going on over there. Hey, what's going on, man? I'm looking to go down to the port for the ferry over to Bohol. Pier 1. Is that good? All right, buddy. Okay, this is my lineup. It's a big one, but I got time. It's 11 o'clock and it leaves at 1 p.m. So we're good to go. What? What's up? What's up?
What's up?
How's it going, guys?
This one open. No.
You do a dance?
No.
All right, he's covered up. All right, now these guys are hiding. They wanted to be on the camera. Now they're hiding. Come on, I need you.
I need you, Ganoy.
I need you for my channel. Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Oh, thanks, man. I'm good. We're in there. He's gone now. What is up, hot people? I am on the ferry, a little bit of a delay, but it's okay. I got my new $3 sunglasses on. I'm ready for the beach. A little cloudy, it's supposed to be raining in Bohol, but I'm gonna bring the sunshine, baby. Here we go. 2 hours and we'll be there. All right, I'm in Bohol, made it. So good to be here. The sun actually did follow me over to Bohol. We're gonna head to Panglao, grab a bite, grab a beer. It's gonna be awesome. Hello, good morning. So our hotel is actually not on the water. We ended up hopping in a tricycle and we asked the driver what was his #1 recommendation for a relaxing beach day, and he took us to this place. Oh, look it. We got sunshine. We got a beautiful beach. We got a pool. We got a bar. We got a restaurant. I mean, just spend the whole day here. Get some pina coladas. Today is a pina colada day. Look at it, we got a hammock over here. Oh man, we got some bean bags in the shade over here. Oh, look at this. Look at these seats. That's what I needed last night. When I was trying to sit, that's what I was talking about right there. You can lean back. Beanbag chairs. Oh, are you kidding me? Like, we get to access this? Heck yeah. Oh my God, look at this. Come check this out. Hop in. That's the seat of the house right there. All right, made it to Panglao. And like I said, I brought the sunshine, baby. It is beautiful weather. So we came to a private resort. I'm gonna get the name for you here in a second. Our driver knew about it. So we're gonna spend the day here. It's like a 5-star amazing resort, private beach, bean bags, hammocks. It's got a bar, it's got a restaurant, it's got everything. And most importantly, a beautiful beach. It's exactly what I needed after like 2 weeks of editing video, sitting in my condo. I couldn't be happier. What's up? Chilling here with Sybelle. Sybelle. You know why her name is Sybelle?
Because I'm shy.
And I'm just Chad. I don't know why. Because I'm rad. And I'm glad. But I'm not sad or mad. This is the life. Actually, the life would be if I had a pina colada right now. Although if I had a pina colada in my hand right now, I'd probably spill it. So maybe this is perfect, just like this. Yeah. Let's go get her. She's trying to get away. She's trying to get away. She stole my hat. Hey, cutie. What's up? We came to a place that you guys have to check out. It's called South Palms Resort. They got a tiki bar, tiki restaurant, and the beach just goes forever. And wherever you go, there's hammocks, there's swing chairs, beautiful views, and it's super chill, not too many people. So when you get here, it doesn't matter where you're staying, grab a tricycle and have them take you to South Palms Resort. It's unbelievable. It's crazy hot. This isn't even the hot season and it's scorching, but no complaints here. Feels great. Sand, ow. I was gonna say sand between the toes and then I stepped on a rock. Nice. Yeah, other than that, whew, good times. Pina colada time, I think. Wanna join me? Let's do it. Cheers. What's up, guys? Just wanted to say cheers. Cheers to paradise, because that's where I am right now. Favorite drink, pina colada. I'm not ashamed to say that. Good times. What's up, what's up? Beautiful, beautiful day here in Panglao. This place is unbelievable. South Palms Resort. What a day. It rained for 5 minutes. It's perfect time to grab a cappuccino and some pizza and back out in the water again. The sun is right back out. This is amazing. Super chill area of Panglao. If you want to go where the action is, that's actually Alona Beach. So whether or not you stay there, that's where you go. You can tricycle in from your resort, or there's tons of options right there on the water where you can just stay and walk out your door and you've got nightlife and bars and restaurants and fire dancing and people everywhere. So we were there last night and actually gonna head back there tonight and just walk around and check it out. This place kind of has it all. It's got the mellow vibe in some areas and it's got the kind of party action vibe in other areas. So, oh, this was needed. This is so nice. I just wanna, this is what I wanna do. It's like every day. This is all I wanna do. Oh, what the heck did I just stand on? What a day. Our bellies are full after that amazing meal. But let's just take a quick walk down Alona Beach before we call this day complete. let's do this to the port.
Or your passport, maybe you left. Just check everything.
Yes, sir. I got it. We're good.
That is the port.
Port
Yeah.
and ticket office. All right. Nice, nice. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
All right, that's a wrap. Panglao, Bohol was incredible on the ferry, heading back to Cebu City. What can I say? That's exactly what I needed for 2 days. Perfect weather, amazing beaches. Spent most of the time on an amazing resort beach. Ate good food. It was just awesome. Looking forward to heading to Bohol tomorrow. Gonna spend a month out there. Can't wait. At the port, gonna head back to IT Park. You guys want to see what it's like getting off the boat, heading through the port? Let's check it out. No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay, motorbike vloggers.
I'm good, thank you.
Taxi?
What's that? No, I'm good. I'm good, thank you. No, thank you. Thank you. What's that? I'm good, buddy. I'm good. Where? I'm good.
Going, sir.
Hey, buddy. IT Park?
Talisay.
What?
Huh?
IT Park?
How much?
What's that?
How much?
How much? Is it not a time meter?
No?
Okay.
How about motorbike, sir?
Yeah. Meter taxi? IT Park? Alrighty, let's do this.
This one meter.
What's that? Yeah.
Meter.
Meter? Yeah, yeah. Cool. How you doing, man? Doing good?
What?
How are you?
Fine.
You good? Alright. Just got back from Bohol.
You came from where?
Bohol, yeah, Panglao. Back to my condo. I'm staying at Avida.
Avida
Tower
Tower
2.
Tower 2.
Yes, sir. Here we go. Welcome to Bohol. Yeah. Nice. Oh, it feels good to be here.